Alright, food lovers, today I'm about to unveil the delightful secret of potato dumplings stuffed with curd cheese. You heard that right, a dish that's creamy, comforting, and utterly irresistible. Picture this, it's a chilly evening, and you're craving something warm and hearty. Enter the humble potato dumpling, simple yet sublime. But where did this delicious marvel come from? Let's dive into a bit of history. Potato dumplings have roots in Eastern Europe where they're a staple comfort food. In places like Poland and Hungary, these dumplings, known as pierogi or nettle, are often a family affair, recipes handed down through generations. There's something magical about combining the creamy, tangy taste of curd cheese with the fluffy, starchy goodness of potatoes. So, let's get into how you can make these at home. First up, you'll need some potatoes, about half a kilo. Boil them until they're nice and tender. While those are cooking, let's prepare the filling. For that, you need fresh curd cheese, the star of our show. Mix it with a pinch of salt and some fresh herbs if you fancy. Once your potatoes are done, mash them up and let them cool. Then add an egg, a bit of flour, and a pinch of salt to form a dough. Roll out small balls of dough, flatten them, and spoon a bit of that curd cheese mixture into the center. Seal them up and voila, you've got your dumplings. Now the fun part, cooking them. Bring a pot of salted water to a boil, then gently drop in your dumplings. They'll sink at first, but don't worry. Once they float to the top, they're done. To make them extra special, you can fry them in a bit of butter until golden and crispy. The contrast between the crispy outside and the soft, cheesy inside is just divine. Serve them hot, maybe with a dollop of sour cream or a sprinkling of chives. And there you have it, potato dumplings stuffed with curd cheese, a dish that's sure to warm your heart and your stomach. But here's the secret ingredient: love. This dish is best enjoyed with friends and family, sharing stories and laughter around the table. So next time you're in the mood for something cozy and comforting, give these dumplings a try. Thanks for joining me on this culinary journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more delicious recipes and food stories. Happy cooking, and see you next time.